In a few weeks, Tesla will begin volume production at its two new factories, Giga-Berlin and Giga-Texas, and once they reach a stable level of production, they expect total global production to reach 2 million electric vehicles with batteries per year. In today's video, we'll talk about Elon Musk's new $13.5 billion Tesla Gigafactories. But before that, make sure you press that red subscribe button along with that tiny bell icon to get updated every time we post new videos. Let's get started. In terms of manufacturing and sales, 2021 was probably a milestone in Tesla's history. It's confirmed itself as the world leader in the sale of electric cars and has succeeded in challenging the well-established classic OEM brands. Still, if it weren't for the current semiconductor crisis and material shortages that many companies around the world are experiencing, they could have posted even better numbers. So, 2022 is widely expected to be quite a positive shock to the brand in terms of production levels. In a few weeks, production will begin at the new Gigafactory located in Texas, which should be the heart of the brand for the next few years. Tesla even moved the California headquarters to its own factory district in Austin, Texas. Meanwhile, the Gigafactory in Berlin continues to deal with red tape and permits to be able to launch and start European production of the Tesla Model Y, which it hopes will also happen in the coming weeks. In China, Giga Shanghai is the factory that has given the brand the best results throughout its history. In 2021, it managed to further increase the annual production of cars manufactured there, even increasing even further the figures initially established for this plant based on production capacity. In this sense, the pace of manufacturing is currently around 650,000 vehicles a year, which represents an exceptional capacity to produce a car in the factory every 44 seconds. Panasonic uses Gigafactory Nevada to produce battery cells for Tesla, and the latter uses these cells to manufacture batteries for its electric vehicles on site, as well as drivetrains and stationary energy storage products such as power packs, power walls, and mega packs. As for the factory itself, it has been expanding for a long time. The factory has produced plenty of battery cells, packs, and transmissions for Tesla, but the giant structure has stalled at around 30% for the last 4 years. There's no indication that Tesla is going ahead with its plans to complete the giant building in the near future. Those huge production figures from Giga Shanghai will be replicated at their Grünheide factory, Giga Berlin, which will reportedly be ready in the coming weeks to free up capacity, clocking in at a rate of one car every 45 seconds. In this factory, the Model Y will be manufactured, mainly for the European market, which will mean the possibility of delivering up to more than 600,000 of these models per year throughout the European region. Despite these favorable data, the aforementioned supply crisis has taken its toll on Tesla, and the delivery times currently managed by the firm could even exceed the waiting year for certain models. Tesla currently has an approximate annual manufacturing rate of around 1 million vehicles, at least as of 2021. By this year, 2022, and as Daniel Ives, a well-known investor, clarifies on Twitter, Tesla plans to double this figure, reaching at 2 million units a year, mainly thanks to the brilliant work carried out in Giga Shanghai, as well as to production that should be reached in the new factories pending opening, which are Texas and Berlin, although this capacity apparently would not be reached until the end of the year. Certainly, these are not production capacity figures that seem distant or impossible, even more so if we look at what is possible to achieve in China. The next few months are going to be really interesting for Elon Musk and Tesla, a company that is unlikely to give up its position as the most famous electric car brand in the world. So that's all for today's video. Let us know your views in the comments section below, and don't forget to like this video before leaving. Thanks for watching.